This is just to show you how quickly you can create the effect of the glass. So you just do a small hatching like this, and if you remember to do it in a way that it looks like a check mark, you press on the bottom here, and you just go, let go. See? You could also go like this. Make sure that it doesn't look like a pattern. Otherwise, it could be misinterpreted as a fabric or something like that. And this is the other window. This is just to indicate to you some kind of reflection from either behind or revealing something from inside. It depends on what you want to do with it. Now here I'm going to assign, as we spoke before, I'm going to assign a light source coming maybe from this direction. So from this direction here, on a 45 degrees approximately angle, anything that is protruding or anything that is raised against the light would look darker. So here I could use a ruler like this, and then just do a line like this, and a line like this. You see that? And I could do also a vertical line here, and a vertical line here. Bam, finished. See? That now looks like this frame of the window is higher than the glass. Would you agree? Yes or no? Okay. Now I'm going to continue with the rest of it. This is also a piece of, it could be a brick, or it could be any gypsum material. It's also raised and higher than the level of the surface underneath. So considering the light source again coming from this direction, I'm going to also create some shading here in this angle. And then mind you, the amount of shading is proportional to the thickness or the height of the piece. So here it's a bit thicker than the frame of the glass. See that? So now it's coming way up. This here is a bit higher, like this. This here is a bit higher, similar to the one on top. And again, only from one side only. See? In one little piece here. And it is finished. So in a matter of minutes, that flat shape of the window appears to be almost three-dimensional or coming at you. Now I have a little trick to share with you, a shortcut. I took a piece of paper, and with the cutter, with the X-Acto knife or whatever cutter you have, I cut a little hole here that represents a brick, represents some type of brick. And then I'm going to put it here and use it as a template to create the effect of the brick. So I put it like this, and then all what I need to do really is to press like this and just go very quickly. See? Very quickly. And then bam, you remove it, then you have two bricks are done. See that? Voila. Okay, now I'll do another one like this here and leave a little space. And this is another effect. So I could do a few pieces here. And then I leave a space. And done. See that? Now as you can see, I add a few more to just give you that ambience or that effect of bricks. Now again, if I may remind you of the light source, each one of these bricks is higher than the surface. So each one of them deserve a little bit of shading here on the corner, opposite to the light source. See, here is one, Here's another one. You see that? See? Now the brick also looks different. As compare this one, for example, to this. This is flat, looks like it's painted on the wall, but the moment I put that L shape shadow, then it become raised. The same thing in this corner, so I'm going to continue to do this and show you what it looked like.